You know that strange feeling when something feels thrilling yet slightly risky? That's exactly the situation DJI is facing right now. The company stands at the crossroads of innovation and uncertainty. As DJI prepares to launch its highly anticipated Osmo Action 6, the US government's increasing scrutiny could make this camera one of its final major releases in America. This isn't just about technology anymore, it's about survival. The big question is, will the Osmo Action 6 mark a new beginning or the beginning of the end for DJI in the US? The upcoming launch, mark the date, according to multiple reliable leaks and insider reports. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is expected to be officially announced on October 24, 2025. The launch timing matches DJI's pattern. Late October, announcements followed by quick pre-orders and global shipping in early November. If everything goes smoothly with the FCC, the Osmo Action 6 will appear on DJI's official website and Amazon store shortly after launch. But here's where things get complicated. DJI is under serious pressure in the US due to concerns related to national security. If the company is added to the covered list, it could lose the right to sell any wireless-enabled device in the country. That means no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no approval from the FCC, and no new DJI products for the American market, not even action cameras or gimbals. The US ban threat if DJI lands on the covered list. It would immediately lose access to the FCC's Equipment Authorization Program, which is necessary for any electronic product that transmits wirelessly. This would effectively block DJI from launching new products in the US market. The upcoming FCC vote on October 28, 2025, could be the deciding moment. To keep its business alive, DJI has reportedly used shell companies like Skyani, Jovastar, Cogito, and Leno Dynamics to release products under different names. Security researchers have connected these brands to DJI's supply chain, suggesting that the company is finding ways around regulatory blocks. However, if the new FCC decision passes, those loopholes could close permanently, making the Osmo Action 6 potentially DJI's final major US release under its own name. Osmo Action 6, the camera worth the chaos, despite all the controversy. The Osmo Action 6 looks set to deliver a massive technological leap. Rumors and early leaks describe a camera that pushes the limits of portable imaging. Inch CMOS sensor for better image quality, wider dynamic range, and stronger low-light performance. 8K video at 30 FPS and smooth 4K slow-motion options for cinematic results. Advanced RockSteady Plus stabilization powered by AI, keeping the horizon perfectly level even during extreme movements. A 1950 mAh battery promising up to 4 hours of continuous 4K recording, ideal for travel vloggers and sports creators. Real-time integration with Garmin and Apple Watch, showing live stats such as heart rate, speed, and distance directly on video overlays. Dual touchscreen displays, glove-friendly buttons, and a rugged waterproof design capable of diving up to 20 meters without an external case. These upgrades suggest that DJI wants to dominate the action camera market once again, directly challenging GoPro, Insta360, and Sony's latest offerings. Pricing and availability, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is expected to start between $329 and $429 for the standard version, while the Adventure Combo, which includes additional batteries and accessories, may cost around $479 to $579. That keeps it competitively priced for its category, especially if the rumored 8K recording and AI stabilization features prove real. If you're in the US, though, the tricky part is whether this model will stay available after the government's regulatory vote. If DJI loses its wireless certification, the Osmo Action 6 could become a collector's item overnight, one of the last DJI-branded cameras officially sold in America. Smart features, standard controls, smartwatch data integration. Action 5 Pro remains a reliable and versatile option, perfect for those who want stability and proven performance. But the Action 6, if these leaks hold true, represents the next era of action cameras, combining AI, 8K video, and wearable tech integration to redefine what's possible. Global perspective. While the US faces restrictions, other regions, including Europe, Asia, and Latin America, may continue receiving DJI products without interruption. In fact, the company could shift focus to these markets if the US ban tightens. That means creators outside America might see faster updates, new bundles, and better stock availability. This potential divide could create a global imbalance where the Osmo Action 6 becomes a rare item in one market but a bestseller in another. Which should you buy? If you're looking for something proven and accessible, go with the Action 5 Pro. It's still powerful, stable, and widely available. But if you want to experience the future, 8K recording, AI stabilization, live fitness overlays, and rugged adventure design, the Osmo Action 6 is your next-gen pick. Just remember, depending on what happens after October 28th, buying one might be more than just a tech purchase. It could be owning a piece of history before DJI's US operations change forever. Final thoughts. The story of the DJI Osmo Action 6 is about more than specs. It's about innovation under pressure. It's about a company pushing boundaries while navigating global politics. Whether this camera becomes the best action cam of 2025 or the last DJI product available in the US, one thing is certain. It's a defining moment for both the brand and its fans. So, what do you think? Will you stay with the dependable Action 5 Pro, or will you take the leap into the future with the Osmo Action 6? Share your thoughts below, because this might just be DJI's most important launch yet.